What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and in this episode, I'm getting ready to head towards Alaska, fixing the Samurai, and seeing if I pass a COVID test to cross the Canadian border. So let's get into it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby. Good morning, everybody. I survived the night in the REI parking lot, and I'm gonna go take a COVID test. You can't cross the Canadian border line without a negative COVID test result within 3 days of crossing. And unfortunately, all this Omnicron stuff, like everybody and their mother is getting tested right now, and the results are gonna take 3 to 5 days. So I might be stuck in Seattle for like a week waiting for test results. Hopefully not, though. Maybe we'll get lucky. Anyway, I'm gonna go get in line early this morning in hopes of getting out of here sooner. Well, this is not too good. I just pulled up that COVID test site, and they don't open until 2 more days from now. So, and then their results take 3 to 5 days. So that's not good. So I'm gonna go across town to another site. I tried to book a COVID testing appointment at every Walgreens and every Rite Aid, and there's no appointments for like 10 days. So I'd be stuck here like over a week just to even get the test, and then probably another week to get results. So I've got one last place I can go to, so hopefully this place can get me in today. Knock on wood. We're almost to the COVID testing site. I hope I can get in. Let's go check it out. Hey, really, this is my fault. I didn't even think about Omnicron making a whole bunch of people go get COVID tests. And there's no priority for tests for people that need to travel or anything, it doesn't seem like. So, well, that line I got in for COVID testing, I had no idea. It goes like a mile back through here. This is nuts. Here it is right here. I think this is the site, so I'll stop here. I'm the first one. I'm like 3 hours early. Well, here we are. Looks like the first car is like right up there, so I may be like 10th person in line, 3 hours early. Not too bad. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. I will give the Northwest this, man. There is some good coffee here. You don't go to Starbucks here. What's this place called? Blue Steel? Pretty yummy. Man, people are freaked out from this Omnicron stuff. This is nuts. Like the testing of this, I'm still like pretty much 2 hours ahead of schedule here. And this road right here that these cars are lined up on, it's almost a mile long. It just goes around the corner and it goes out onto the main street and just keeps on going. It's that busy. Hopefully I can fit through this building up here. It's got a pretty low looking roof. I'm gonna drive through a thing, so we'll see. All right, line just open, here we go. Hey, turn that off, thing's loud. Yeah, I've already got everything filled out other than that part, so just that last code.
Go and actually scroll and it'll automatically do it.
Oh yeah?
Nope, other way. Hit that blue, hover right over it.
Oh, I see it. That's right. Allow.
It automatically picks it up. What's it say underneath?
Oh, there it goes. Now it's
say successful.
Yeah, successful. Boom.
Scroll back to the bottom.
Alrighty. Yeah, submit. All right, man. Assuming this test works to get through Canada and all that stuff too. Knock on wood. Okay, cool.
Yeah. You're going to Canada?
That's the plan. Sounds like it's taking a while, though. I didn't know it was going to take it. Yeah. The 3 to 5 day thing. I'd be stuck here a while.
Yeah, for your result, actually, it might be 2 days.
Oh, that'd be awesome. Yeah, I could drive all the way to Alaska, so that would be sweet if it's faster, but we'll just hang around until it's ready.
All right.
All right, man.
You are all set.
Thank you guys for working.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, man. Let's stick something up my nose. I can't wait. Woo. All right, nose sticking time. Good morning.
Hi. You are ready for anything. I love it.
Oh, yeah, I just have everything with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
And thank you guys for doing this.
Yeah, I just need
Trussell.
your label
This guy?
that has your name on it. Just this portion.
That's you.
There we go.
I feel fine. I'm just going to drive to do this to get through Canada to Alaska, so here I am.
You live up there, or you just...
That's the plan, yeah, heading north now.
Yeah, from where?
I'm like ski town, Girdwood.
Oh, Girdwood. I used to live up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect.
Right.
Well, have a safe journey.
I'll try. I mean,
okay.
You know how that goes.
Yeah.
Cool. You guys too.
You be safe.
You guys keep your sanity down here.
Yeah.
Right.
By the end of the day, we don't have much left.
I believe it. Thank you. Ooh, that tickled. Oh yeah, look at all these cars in line. Holy crap. Now I'm gonna go ahead to meet Randy. I'm gonna take the Samurai off the trailer, and he's a Samurai master guru, so I'm gonna see if he can help me diagnose this problem with the transmission or transfer case or whatever's going on. And some dude has a spare transmission down here or used one, so maybe I can snag that while I'm here. Anyway, that's where we're going. Man, look at this line for the COVID test. It's already a mile long, and now it's like gone out onto the road. Like all these people lining up. It's insane. And it just opened too. This is why I got here 3 hours ahead of time. It just seems excessive almost, like people are testing too much. Like testing needs to be for travel, or if like you're actually really feeling sick, I don't know. I feel like a lot of people get common colds and they'll come in to get tested or something. I don't know. Okay, we just finished doing a little diagnosis. Randy came down and met me and went out for a spin in the Sammy, and it looks like the I can't get it in tool high at all. So either a shifter plate on the transfer case is messed up, or the transfer case is just shot. So I'm not even gonna take a chance. I'm gonna pick up another good used rebuilt transfer case down here with low gearing. And one of Randy's buddies is gonna meet me in this parking lot here at the Wilco parking lot. And he's gonna help me switch out the automatic hubs and turn them into a manual locking hub. So maybe that'll solve some of the problem. And those automatic hubs kind of suck anyways. Dan is the man. We're knocking it out. We're gonna get these auto hubs in, and that'll solve a little bit of the problem for right now. But either way, I need to trade those out. I picked those up on Facebook Marketplace passing through.
So see how these are just straight holes?
Yep.
See how these are beveled? There's cones that go in those.
I see what you're saying.
So I'm gonna try to get you squared away. I don't know if these are gonna go all the way down.
Yeah.
But you have to just replace those, which is not a big deal, you know.
I can't remember what it was exactly, but Mr. already did. Yeah, but I didn't know it was that easy to switch, man. I've only watched like 2 videos on it. People pull like the rotors off, did all kinds of crazy. Maybe they were doing something inside the axle, you know?
Well, a lot of people, I specialize in these.
Yeah.
I know every single nut bolt.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I was trying just to like take my time, and like there's a lot more of you guys down here than up there for Samurais. So.
And Mr. Randy Gibbs, man, he's one of the best guys
I know.
ever.
Yeah, he's one of the men. I mean, it seemed like he knew what he was talking about.
What's up, guys?
Hey, what's going on?
Yeah, my name's Nate. I'm a YouTuber too.
All right, Timmy.
Nice.
What's going on?
Yeah, you're in my hood. I've been
right on.
watching.
I'm Dan.
Yeah.
Dan, Nate.
Nate? Yeah.
What the f are you doing up here?
Just making new friends.
Cool.
Pretty much.
Where are you going back to Alaska?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah.
And you can't find anything for Samurais up there, so.
Hey, how's it going?
Timmy.
I'm Mike from Marlin Crawler.
What's going on?
I'm Dan. Hey, Dan, nice to meet you guys.
From Alaska.
Yeah, I'm Alaska.
But I've been watching his videos. He's been down here in, well, he was in Colorado at some point.
Mind if I take a photo of you guys here?
Yeah, just a photo.
Well, I've got a YouTube channel called Dirt Lifestyle.
Right on. Yeah, I have to look you up now.
Yeah.
Good timing, just started dumping snow literally right as we finish, so we're done. Got locking hubs in there. Cool. I'm gonna go pick up a used Samurai transfer case. It's been kind of gone through. Looks like it works pretty well. Found it on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm gonna go get that, but first I'm gonna go get some dinner. It's sushi time. That's right, I'm not wearing Crocs. There's this place called Trapper's Sushi that's supposed to be super good up here. Come in, thank you guys. Oh yeah, a little bit of sushi to go. The guy with the transfer case just hit me up, gave me an address. He's only 18 miles away, so we're going. This is super random, so I was hanging out with the owner of Marlin Crawlers and Dirt Style Overland, and they invited me to their house to park tonight. So that's where we're going. We're going to their pad. I'm gonna park, hang out tonight, and tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. I'm gonna install this transfer case that I just picked up from this dude because it looked good. So Samurai problems are getting resolved. Thank goodness. It's all gonna work out. All right, y'all, time to go to bed. We're here at Dirt Lifestyle Overland's pad. Obviously the Dirt Lifestyle overlander YouTubers too, him and his wife, and super cool people. Just hung out and had a beer with them and talked about life and talked about YouTube of all things. It gave me some good ideas. They're doing it full time, and it's just really inspiring to meet other full-time YouTubers and see that it's just super possible. They're living comfortable in their house right now with a couple of kids, and he's building all kinds of crazy rigs, and they're both getting out and traveling and adventuring with their family, and it's just cool. I don't know. Inspires me to go full-time, it really does. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this heat on. This is so easy, man. This Webasto diesel heater, I'm telling you. It's like, well, number one, I don't have my wood stove in here because I'm still in Washington. So this is my air conditioner from the summertime that I was using. When I get back to Alaska, I'm gonna switch this thing out for my wood stove again. This Webasto diesel heater is insane. It's like, I literally just press 2 buttons and the house heats up. Doesn't use any diesel hardly. Uses no battery power, and it's cool. I'm gonna make the bed. See you guys in the morning. I'm gonna go in and have some breakfast. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for next episode where we try to get the Samurai actually running and drivable, and I start heading towards Alaska. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button down there and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all.